Hello, I'm Daniel Blum, and on February 27th of 2023, I will be privileged to assume the responsibility of Chief Executive Officer of Enta and Allergy Associates. I'm very excited to start this journey, and I would like to take a few minutes to tell you about my background and experience. And I also look forward to learning about you, too. I've been involved in healthcare since 1986, when I first became an EMT in college. While pursuing my undergraduate degree, I also went on to complete paramedic school, and I worked as a New York City paramedic for the remainder of my college education and throughout my graduate education. First and foremost, I consider myself a healthcare professional as well as a business professional. I'm motivated by and focused on the human elements of what we do. Yet, I understand that my focus must be on the organizational aspects that facilitate the great care that you provide directly to our patients. I have enjoyed a long and rewarding career in healthcare, and I currently serve as president of 2 hospitals in Baltimore, Maryland. One of the hospitals is a large, complex, tertiary academic medical center, which serves as the hub hospital for my current health system. In this role, I also oversee a variety of corporate functions for our health system, including the development of our medical school, all graduate medical education, clinical research, innovation, and many of our social welfare programs intended to address the social determinants of health, such as the Baltimore Child Abuse Center and our violence preemption program known as Safe Streets. Prior to this role, I served as president and CEO of Phelps Hospital in Sleepy Hollow, New York, and I have held a variety of positions at other hospitals in the metropolitan region. I also possess significant experience in faculty and group practice operations. I come from a family of healthcare professionals, so I have a deep affinity for what you do. My father, who recently passed away, was a renowned endocrinologist at NYU. My sister is an internist, my brother-in-law is a cardiologist, and my wife is a nurse practitioner. I have 2 children, a son who is an active-duty U.S. Marine Corps combat infantryman who is currently deployed abroad, and I have a daughter who is happily employed in the television industry in New York City. I was born and raised in New York City, and once I conclude my employment in Baltimore, I will reside full-time in our home in Westchester County, New York. You may be wondering what my plans are as I take on this new role at the end of February. I know ENT and allergy quite well. Over the years, I've had the privilege to work with current leadership and many of the physicians. It is clear to me that the group is very well run and has a history of great success. The stability of Enta is a direct result of an exceptional medical staff and leadership team. Therefore, my priorities are simple. First, do no harm. And second, actively listen and learn. From there, we will address what needs to be done together, and we will focus on our next evolution of strategic development. Once I begin my role, I will visit each and every office and make an effort to meet our entire workforce and medical staff. I'm grateful to the board for selecting me for this role. I'm joining ENT and allergy at a time of great expansion and high-quality performance. I intend to work closely with the physicians and executive leadership in pursuit of similar outcomes. We are currently planning a town hall-style meeting in early 2023 where you can learn more about me and submit questions, so please stay tuned for more details on that. It will be a privilege to work with you, and I wish you a very happy and healthy holiday season.